In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off the administrator password when installing applications on your MacBook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. You would select your name up here at the top, and then you go underneath Media and Purchases, assuming you're signed into your iCloud account, and then you would set it to never require a password for free downloads, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.